Sixth step, right effort. Jihad fi sabil, as some would call it. Jihad fi sabil. What now is right effort? There are four great efforts: the effort to avoid, the effort to overcome, the effort to develop, and the effort to maintain. What now is the effort to avoid? There, the disciple incites his mind to avoid the arising of evil, the meritorious things that have not yet arisen, and he strives, puts forth his energy, strains his mind, and struggles. Thus, when he perceives a form with the eye, a sound with the ear, an odor with the nose, a taste with the tongue, a contact with the body, or an object with the mind, he neither adheres to the whole nor to its parts, and he strives to ward off that through which evil and deleterious things, greed and sorrow, would arise. If he remained with unguarded senses, as he watches over his senses, restrains his senses, possessed of this noble control over the senses, he experiences inwardly a feeling of joy into which no evil thing can enter. This is called the effort to avoid. What now is the effort to overcome? There, the disciple indicates he incites his mind to overcome the evil, the meritorious things that have already arisen, and he strives, puts forth his energy, strains his mind, and struggles. He does not retain any thought of sensual lust, ill will, or grief, or any other evil and deleterious states that may have arisen. He abandons them, dispels them, destroys them, causes them to disappear. And isn't the answer in Surah 23 of the Quran to that sort of thing that how you do this is by bringing good in? Not that if you've had a thought and you haven't acted it out, or it hasn't changed your belief, that there's anything you should feel guilty or ashamed or whatever for, but, you know, fostering those thoughts that bring about the change is actually what we should be doing, right?